Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the wishlist features on Nookazon. But before we get started, make sure to check out the link below. It is a link to my server where you can join, you can talk about all types of games, get Nookazon help, and even get notified when I go live on Twitch. Also, if you like this video and want to see more Nookazon videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more content. And with all that said, let's get this party started. So first off, we're going to be starting out on your page on Nookazon, so you can get there by clicking in the upper right hand corner on your name or signing in if you haven't done that already. And then we're going to head over to this wish lists tab. And under here, this is where you'll be able to see everything that is on your wish list, and you can create new wish lists. You will always have this default one that's just looking for, but if you create a new wish list, you can title it whatever you like, hit create, and it pops up right there. I also wanted to note that you can share your wish lists. I've never done this, don't know how it exactly works, don't know anyone who uses it either, but it is there. And you can also change your wish list from a list view to a grid view just by clicking that little toggle button over to the right. Now I'm going to show you guys how to add an item to your wish list. You could just find whatever item you like. I just saw this acorn little pouch and I was like, yes. So all you have to do is go to this little faint drop down window here and you can choose whatever wish list you'd like to put it on, honestly. I just put it on looking for and it tells you that it was successfully added. So we can just double check that by going back to your home page and going under wish list, and there it is. Now you can move this to another created wish list. However, you cannot take an item from a created wish list and put it back onto looking for. I don't know why this is. It may be an error in their code, or they might have a reason for it, but unfortunately the feature of moving it from a created wish list to looking for is not available. I also wanted to show you guys another really quick way of adding items to your wish lists. You could do this by just simply going to one of these pages and clicking the little heart with a plus. A little drop down menu pops up and you can choose whichever wish list you would like it to be added to, and it will add it just the same way as if you were to actually click on the product and then go in and do the wish list thing that way. So this is just a lot quicker. You can go down lists of items and just add them all to your wish list as you please. Next, I'm going to show you the two ways that you can put items up for sale and ask for your wishlist items in return. So you could just choose any random item and hit add listing. You are going to go down and hit accept only listing price. And then here you can type in the items that you are looking for that could be already on your wish list. So maybe if you don't want everything to be shown on your wish list, you just want a few certain things really bad, you can type those in here. And you can even change the quantity of how many. You can hit the or button and then search more items and have it be an either or. So either you can pay me with the acorns and pie cones if you have it, or if you have the Mario mushroom head thing, you can pay me that way instead. Both of these methods were told to me by a Nookazon mod. The second way they said was to go to looking for. You could do touch trading, which you would be able to catalog the item, but you would not be able to actually get the item. Hit accept only, and then choose the wish list you want people to choose from. I personally do not like this method because you do not show up on the selling tab since you were under looking for. I don't know how well the looking for works or not, but I really don't like this method. Hopefully this video helped you guys with the basics of how to create wish lists, how to add items to them, and how to sell using them. If you do have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. I would be happy to help. I'm sure others in the comments would too. If you want more direct or immediate response, DM me on Discord. I will get a notification that way and I can try and help you out there. But if I am unable to help you, there is always a option to DM a Nookazon mod on the Nookazon website. You just scroll to the bottom of the page and go to contact us. That is where you can get help there. Sometimes they're helpful, sometimes they're not. I've had both scenarios, so it really depends on who you get to help you. But with all that said, I hope you guys have a magical day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!